Hey, hey, whoa, whoa. Hey, 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 Put it on the game, I'ma get it right back. Couple more about me, I'ma keep it like that. They ain't hear about me on the first one, so I had it on it back. Ain't bout to flex and speak about some facts that I ain't get. Right to the left, I'ma leave you there. I'ma let you know, nigga, we not coming fair. I'ma let you know, don't be coming over here. Cause it ain't be a okay. We be getting checks up and back in. I got the lady on my left hand. I be smoking daily real fast as a dead man. If I blow up, whole thing up next, man. More checks, nigga, less stress, so yes, man. If we call that whole thing, go next, man. Spitting on the block, you gon' meet this tech, man.
Bruh. Like, why am I hitting this kid for 24 though?
Shane, I'm coming up towards you. Oh my god, I can't even build.
I'm sorry. I missed.
Oh, how is this all yours? Hey, wait, where is it? You know when the reason I get trapped? Damn.